The cross stitch is simply a type of embroidery stitch, and it can be incorporated with a lot of other different types of stitches for all sorts of decorative patterns. If you've never done the cross stitch, it's really just a series of X's, and you always want to be working in the same direction, generally moving up. So first you stitch in one direction, all going to the upper right. And generally this is done in a different type of fabric, but you can do it in cotton or linen, or it doesn't have to be Aida cloth. And then you're going to stitch up to the left, and you're going to go back into the same holes that you just made with your previous stitches. As I was saying, this can be a fun way to just add a decorative pattern, especially when you are combining it with other embroidery stitches. It's also used as a fill stitch when it's a project that only uses counted cross stitch. And you see your back stitches really should just look like lines, and you can just tuck your thread under them like that.